Ciao Tesla people. Today I'm going to do another road trip, this time to Impruneta. It takes about half an hour from here. It's a nice day. It's supposed to be like 18 degrees Celsius today. Again, very warm for the period. We are still in February. Most likely we'll go there to get some pastry and then to take a walk in the historic center. And let's see if some stores are open or if there anything else to see. I know there are some museums, some churches, and hopefully we can check them out. And I'll take you with me. Let's go to get this ride. And I'm going to put a time lapse as usual when I do these road trips, so you can check it out today. The road when we get there. I'll see you in a bit.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
Ciao Tesla people again. I just got back home from my road trip to Impruneta. So I was planning to show you the center of Impruneta, the old streets and stuff. But it turns out that the um, the Borgo, which is the old part, was pretty much everything got rebuilt because in the Second World War it was bombed and everything got destroyed. Even part of the church and part of the tower that I show other times got destroyed and everything got rebuilt. So basically, it's not that everything is new, but there are no historical building in the center. So that sucks. I didn't know that. Was an interesting and historical event. Anyway, everything went well. So the road trip was good. The weather is great. It was there was 19 Celsius. Here in Florence right now it's 18 Celsius. So temperature is great for February. It's unbelievable. Anyway, I'm going to leave my Tesla referral link in the description. So if you buy a Tesla or you do a Tesla test drive, use it. You can get up to 3 months of free FSD if you buy a Tesla. And also all the links about the accessories that I install on my Model Y. Check them out. And please subscribe to the channel. It will help me a lot. Turn on notification if you're already subscribed. Put a like. And I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.